Welcome to my channel. This is Crystal. Let's get started with our first move, chest lift. Lay on your back, bottoms of the feet together, knees out. Interlace the fingers behind the head and neck. Take an inhale, then exhale, chest up. Inhale down, exhale up. Breathe in through the nose, breathe out through the mouth. Use your breath to find your way into the tempo that feels right for you. Slow or fast, just coordinate the movements with your breath. Continue like this with your own pace. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Now bring your knees together. Rock and roll up to seated. Hands behind. Bring your knees to the chest. Inhale. Extend the legs out. Bring them back. Exhale. Inhale straight. Exhale, bring them back. This core strengthening move is not only toning your abdominal wall, but connecting to your power source, your self-esteem, and your willpower. When you build a stronger core, you are no longer limited by the fears that hold you back. So your physical outer core and mindful inner core both are strengthened. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Now bring the soles of the feet together, toes forward, heels in. Grab the feet with your hands. Take an inhale and lift up. Exhale, come down. Hold it here. Give yourself a tiny little break. Now let's move on. Grab your outer knees, close the knees together. Let's come straight into the steady bow. Float the shins off the ground. Extend the hands straight out in front of you. Chest up, head back. Hold it here to strengthen the transverse abdominis. If you want to add more challenge, straighten your legs up. Now bring your hands together. Interlace the fingers except the index. Then go ahead and twist all the way over to the right. Keep your breath steady. Bring a smile on your face. Very good. Now let's stroke all the way over to the left. Steady breath, steady mind. Find your stillness in the center of the storm. Now come back to the middle. Spread the hands a little wider. Take an inhale, lift everything up. Exhale, come all the way down to the back. Grab your shins, squeeze the knees for a moment. Give your lower back a little rock side by side. Move on to the next. Legs straight out. Inhale. Reach your arms over your head. On the exhale, right leg up. Both arms reach to the right, twisting and lifting. Inhale down. Exhale other side. Move with your own pace and continue to flow with your breath. Don't try to beat yourself up. Do what you can do. And gradually, over time, your muscles will start adapt. It will become more and more of an easy thing. Very good. Now last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Both legs up, reach and hold. Very good. Now bend your knees, feet flat on the floor, width of the hips. Lift your chest up, reach your hand from side to side. We're strengthening the side abdominals. Keep that chest up and keep switching side to side. Feel that burn? Trust that burn. It is called solar plexus for a good reason, because this is where the solar energy resides. Keep pulsing side to side. Excellent. Now last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Grab your shin, squeeze, then rock and roll all the way up. We are done with this short and sweet 5 minutes core workout. Keep doing it every day. You will soon be ready for your bathing suit season. Hope you enjoy this core workout. Scroll down and find more 5 minutes short body toning workouts in the description. Subscribe to my channel for more various lengths workouts to build a stronger and fitter body every week. Thank you for practicing with me today. Enjoy your beautiful day. Bye.